Hey guys, I welcome you all to my YouTube channel Gardening Paradise and hope you all would be doing great. Today we are diving into the world of vegetable gardening with our guide on the best vegetable seeds to sow in April. If you are ready to kickstart your kitchen garden with fresh and nutritious produce, you are in the right place. Let's get started. Before going further, a small request to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get the notification about my new videos. As the temperatures rise and the days grows longer, April marks the perfect time to sow vegetable seeds. Whether you have a small backyard or a few pots on your balcony, there's something magical about growing your own food. So today we'll explore a variety of vegetable seeds that thrive during this season. Let's start with okra, also known as ladyfinger. Sow okra seeds in April for tender pots that are packed with flavor and nutrients. They are a versatile addition to any meal. Eggplant or brinjal is another popular choice for your garden. Sow eggplant seeds in April for delicious and versatile fruits that can be used in curries, stir fries and grilled dishes. Bell pepper or capsicum add colors and crunch to your dishes. Sow bell pepper seeds in April for sweet and crunchy peppers that come in a variety of colors from green to red to yellow. Cool and refreshing cucumbers are a must-have in any summer garden. Sow cucumber seeds in April for crisp and crunchy cucumbers that are perfect for salads and snacks. French beans add a dose of green goodness to your garden. Sow bean seeds in April for tender and flavorable pots. They are a great addition to curries, salads and even as a side dish. Cluster beans bring a touch of elegance to your garden. Sow cluster bean seeds in April for these slender, crunchy delights. Cluster beans add a nutritious twist to your meals. Bottle gourd or lauki is a versatile and nutritious vegetable. Sow lauki seeds in April for tender and mild flavor gourds that are perfect for curries and soups. Ridge gourd is a staple in many Indian kitchens. Sow ridge gourd seeds in April for this versatile vegetable that complements various dishes. Bitter gourd is a unique addition to your garden. Sow bitter gourd seeds in April for these nutrient-packed wonders. Whether you love them in stir fries or as a health elixir, bitter gourd has you covered. Apple gourd is delightful vegetable to grow. Sow these seeds in April for these round wonders that are perfect for stuffed recipes or delicious curries. Get ready for a garden full of these gourds. Before you start sowing, here are few tips to ensure a successful vegetable garden. Choose a sunny spot for your garden. Prepare the soil by adding compost or organic matter and water regularly. Keep an eye out for pests and disease and take prompt action to protect your plants. And there you have it, a guide to the best vegetable seeds to sow in April. Whether you are a seasoned gardener or just starting out, growing your own vegetables is a rewarding and fulfilling experience. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more gardening tips, and share your favorite vegetable to grow in April in the comments below. Happy gardening and I'll see you in the next video.